One of the burning questions students face is which branch of engineering to opt for. Whether to go for traditional branches like civil, mechanical, electrical, ENC or computer science. If yes, then which one of these has better future? To go for other new industry branches which have emerged recently like artificial intelligence and machine learning, alternative energy engineering and so many others. These and other such questions I attempt to answer in today's video. So stay tuned. So number one is computer science engineering. Computer science students continue to rule the roost. A regular craze among students and an evergreen source of excellent opportunities and highest paying jobs. It provides ample scope for reliable career, varied specializing opportunities, and a domain-centric future for the aspirant. Now, what do you mean by domain-centric? It means core job. Whatever you have studied in your branch of engineering, a job related to that branch of engineering is called as core job. That's the sole purpose of selecting an engineering branch, right? To do a job related to your branch of engineering. Computer science offers the potential for several job profiles like software developers, full stack developers, that is designing the front end, the back end of a website, system analyst, network analyst, language programmers, database analyst, software testing professionals, cloud computing specialist, big data, AIML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, blockchain engineering, which shot to popularity because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the thing cryptocurrency which uses blockchain technology, but there is more to blockchain than just cryptocurrency. And many institutions, preferably financial institutions, will make use of blockchain technology for its encryption methodology. This branch of engineering, that is computer science, offers several interesting and lucrative openings in both computer software and hardware fields. There is practically no dearth of jobs for the computer engineering and IT professionals. The number second most popular branch of engineering to look out for in the future is data science and machine learning. Software engineering has been and has seen continuous growth over the past few years, and there are no signs of its stopping. Data science is a branch of software engineering that involves creating meaningful information based on large amount of data. These large data assets are known as big data and can come from a variety of sources such as e-commerce, medical or financial sectors. This field uses both statistics and software engineering to gather, analyze and present data in such a way as to allow the end user to optimize their specific services. A simple example of this is using the data of which products sells best during a specific time of a year to create target-based marketing campaigns. Machine learning is a subset of data science that is used to make predictions of what might happen in the future based on data of what happened in the past. Machine learning algorithms will make predictions, test whether these predictions are accurate, and then optimize the algorithm to improve the accuracy of the prediction going forward. The more varied the volume of data available, the better the predictions. A bachelor's degree is not always necessary to begin a career in data science, as there are various short-term courses that cover the required topics. However, it is important to note that a strong background in both mathematics and coding is necessary to be a successful data science engineer. Number third in the list is automation and robotics engineer. Robotic systems are already good at performing menial repetitive tasks that don't require the dexterity and attention to detail provided by a human worker. However, with constant advances in computing, energy storage, and materials, robots are beginning to move from the single arm welding and assembly robots to complex humanoid machines. A striking example of this is the Boston Dynamics robot. A robotics engineer is involved in every aspect of the design, development, testing, and implementation of robotic systems. Robotic engineers are typically either mechanical, electronics, or mechatronics engineers. As we move ever closer to an automated world, the only safe jobs are those within the automation itself. And one such field is AIML, that is Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning and Robotic Engineering. Number 4, Aerospace Aviation Engineering. The advancement achieved in the technology front and the extensive research activities will ensure that studies related to aircraft and spacecraft are much in demand. When you opt for a program in aerospace engineering, you will be qualified to handle the design and development of aircraft and spacecraft. Needless to say, aviation is one of the highly paid fields in the modern world. Aerospace is almost the highest paid engineering branch in India. The two overlapping and major sub-branches in this domain are aeronautical engineering and astronautical engineering, offering opportunities in different brilliant fields. The scope of this modern branch of engineering includes the following: designers, quality standard in charge, robotics engineers, research and development professionals with amazing career opportunities and attractive high salary packages. This branch is very popular. It is a demanded and best engineering branch for high salary in India. Number 5 is civil engineering. Civil engineers build infrastructure on which the world depends. There are the various branches of civil engineering which make it difficult to saturate the market, and it is therefore a great field to be in. The main civil engineering branches field include the structural engineering, environmental engineering, road or highway engineering, and transportation engineering. India being an infrastructure deficient country and a developing country, there will be continued demand for huge dams, bridges, ports, airports, and railways, and civil engineers will always be in demand. Number 6 is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers is another evergreen branch that offers numerous employment potential as well as specialization opportunities in the Indian and international context. The huge list of industries majors like L&T, Tata Motors, SAIL, Siemens, Baba Atomic Research Center (BARC), Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited (BPCL), to name a few. Recruiting mechanical engineers from reputed institutions every year is a constant demand for young and motivated mechanical engineers across the nation. The scope of this domain basically extends from production to quality assurance to design and process specialization. There are not many industries that can manage without the support of mechanical engineering in the modern world. Both private and government organizations provide ample job opportunities, and the pay structure for mechanical engineers is relatively high. This branch is among the oldest as well as the most relevant branch of engineering worldwide, and it is certainly the best engineering branch for a high salary in India. Number 7 is electronics and communication engineering, a fast growing branch of engineering that had emerged and has got increased demand the world over. Electronics and communication are among the most preferred courses in engineering, combining the technologies of electrical, electronics, and communication in a bouquet. This branch caters to the industries that are associated with these technologies. This branch entails the studies associated with manufacturing, power generation, automation, electronic devices and systems, and telecommunications, among others. It happens to be another highest paid engineering branch in India. Qualified electronics and communication professionals get an edge over other engineers in the current industry scenario and are eligible in better salary as well. Alternative energy engineer. You must have heard about Tesla electric cars, which is very popular and finest in this segment. We have Indian car and manufacturers coming up with electric cars like Mahindra, Reva, not so popular currently, but will be in huge demand in future. We are already seeing implementation of Euro 6 norms regarding emission standard. Due to the increased pressure being placed on the planet due to climate change, there has been an international push towards clean and renewable energy sources. For example, the demand for solar energy technology has increased dramatically, ensuring a decreased panel cost. This is creating a feedback loop that is further pushing up the demand. There can be no doubt that alternative clean energy is the future. Despite coal-fired power stations still making up the majority of global energy production, its growth has stagnated while alternative energy has grown. And energy engineering needs to start off with at least a bachelor's degree in mechanical or electrical engineering. Thereafter, a master's in energy engineering, specific desired field, can further improve the job prospect. Number 9 in the list is biotechnology engineering. Technological applications have found their way into several fields of industries today. Biological systems are no exceptions. While technology making into foray into these systems, a field that combines various domains such as engineering, genetics, chemistry, microbiology, and biochemistry has emerged under the name of biotechnology engineering. The innovative and extensively applied engineering field finds numerous applications across unprecedented industries. Aspirants of this branch may find employment scope in segments such as agriculture, animal husbandry, pollution control, eco-conservation, research and development related to vaccines, medicines and fertilizers. Moreover, food processing and several other industries that explore the potential of biotechnology are seen to invest heavily into it. Assuring significant employment opportunities and a high pay scale, this branch is the most demanded engineering branch in India in years to come. And the last one in the list, chemical engineering. One of the three fundamental sciences, chemistry has always remained a major contender for the top position among various educational domains. The widespread production of various material and energy and the transformation of chemical elements and energy have necessitated a giant leap in the demand of the traditional branch of chemical engineering, finding its scope in different industries such as food processing and manufacturing, fertilizers, oil and petroleum, and natural gas, among other crucial fields. Chemical engineering is always the top rated engineering branch today. Chemical engineers are much in demand in the active segment such as healthcare, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, fertilizers, and several others. An undergraduate program in chemical engineering makes you eligible for further specializations. Available in popular and renowned institutions such as VIT and IIT, this is one of the very reliable branch of engineering when career growth and earning potential is concerned. So friends, what are the key takeaways from these top 10 branches of engineering in the country? The reputation of the institute, along with factors such as placement, opportunities, and career growth potential, play a significant role in choosing your area of study. Having a clear idea about the highest paid engineering branch in India is crucial. Understanding the benefits and specific requirements in the various engineering education programs enables you to opt for the best engineering branch for a high salary in India. The list of jobs mentioned in this article is by no means exhaustive but provides a good cross section of the current job market. It is clear that jobs like data science and automation are the most in demand and offer higher than average starting and mid-level salaries. While traditional engineering fields still offer high salaries, it can be difficult to initially break into this industry. It can be difficult to initially break into the industry as there tends to be an oversupply of entry-level engineers. However, with specialization, the job search becomes much easier. I hope you found this session very much useful. See you in the next video. This is Manish signing off. Thank you.